Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's quick update on Burger once again. The technical target still remains and we're looking for the burger to actually come down to $0.966 for sure. And I released a video update yesterday that it was really important for Burger to actually cross this level and hold that level. Now it did cross the level, but it never really hold the level. That's the thing, okay? The next candle came down and you can see the downtrend is still there, it's still intact. So it's more like a continuation that, hey, I'm about to even move way more lower. And I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing more that I'm gonna fancy. I just want to look the weekly. I've never actually talked about the weekly, so let's look at how the weekly looks like at the moment. And you can see that, yep, you're making a little bit of a almost a bullish candlestick right there, but you've already broken out of it and you do come down here. So on a weekly time frame, you can reckon there's a double bottom here, and that's where you have the biggest support moving forward, and that's going to be a price target of $0.918 to be exact right now, because you can already see that's what you broke out of. Came down, went up, came down, boom, push it out, and you just completely took it over. And then now you're looking to actually retrace down. Can you actually hold this level? Because on a weekly you really never hold it. I do reckon if you try to hold the support here, you might actually move higher. But keep in mind, again, if you do try to break this level and go to 669, go back for the retest and fail, you might actually come down to fill this wick at $0.287 as well. So be careful. And that's it for today's quick update on Burger. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.